Hello everyone, my name is Simran. Today, I'd like to share my daily routine with you. I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. After waking up, I head to the bathroom and splash some water on my face to freshen up. Next, I brush my teeth and make sure I'm ready for the day. Then, I get freshened up and take off my clothes to prepare for a bath. I take a bath to clean myself thoroughly and feel fresh. Once I'm done, I put on my clothes for the day. After getting ready, I go to the temple near my house. When I reach the temple, I bow my head to God and offer prasad as a sign of respect and gratitude. After that, I take the prasad and make my way back home. At home, I sit down to take my breakfast, which gives me the energy for the day ahead. After finishing my breakfast, I go to school. At school, I attend my classes and study till the afternoon. Around noon, I take my lunch and then continue studying until school is over. Once school is done, I come back home and take some rest to relax for a while. Later in the evening, I get up and go to play with my friends. We enjoy some fun activities together, and I get a chance to talk to my friends. After playing, I return home and talk to my parents about how my day went. Then, I sit down to study and complete my homework to stay on top of my studies. Later in the evening, I take dinner with my family. After dinner, I enjoy watching some TV programs before bed. Finally, I wish my parents good night and head to bed, where I drift off and fall into sweet dreams. That's my daily routine. Thank you.